Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the nickname of your friends on Roblox on iPhone. Now it's a very easy process, so I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Roblox application. Now from out your Roblox application, what you want to do is you want to sign in, of course, and from there you want to go into the the bottom right corner where it says more. Now from here we go into the friends tab right beside profile, and as you can see, here is my friend list. Now let's say I want to rename the first name, the Alka Mariam. So simply open the friend that you want to change the nickname for, go to the little three dots right beside chat in the bottom left corner, and from here you can customize the name. Now, as you can see here, you can set a custom name for this player. So simply hello YouTube and press save. And as you can see, my friend just changed its name to the name I gave it. Now it's easy as that. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.